tondo. Charot.
So, hindi rin super perfect yung arch ng paa ko. Kasi may mga tao talaga na perfect yung arch. Si Alin. Yung paa niya rin, super ganun. Yung natural yung kahit hindi mo na siya, yan! Perfect. Yan. So, lifted sila. Okay, so start tayo sa parallel position. Okay, so parallel position muna tayo. So, knees facing the mirror. So, hindi siya medyo naka-out. So, yan. And then, try to stack your feet on top of your hips. Not too close, not too wide. So, tama lang siya. Parallel position. Okay? So, from here, shoulders down, palms facing front muna para makontrol natin yung energy. So, try to get your energy ng kamay, ng stability sa back. Okay? So, from here, and balik. Yan. And then, try to relax. Yan. Yan. And then, okay. And then, try to, yan, stay. Yan. Okay. Wow! Na-anticipate. Ayan, so ganun. Ganun siya, ginagawa ko. Okay, so from here, pull up, engage your core, and then from here, tondo tayo. Right foot front, bam, tondo, and back. Yes. Tapos, pag nagtotondo tayo, try to brush the floor, walang umaangat. And from here, demi-point, yung kanina, all the way back to first. So, gumagamit tayo ng demi-point. Lagi. Back. Okay? So, kung i-observe nyo, hindi siya agad. From here, hindi ako agad ganyan. Ang ginagawa ko, dinadaanan ko siya. Okay? And brush. Back. And brush. Ganun siya. Parang butter. Okay? So, from here, dalawa sa front. Dalawa. And dalawa. Okay? And to the side, dalawa din. Try to maintain yung orientation ng paa. Hindi siya naka-ganon. Instead, naka-ganon. Yes, turn in. Yan. And knees to the front. Dalawa sa side. And two to the back. Bam. Back. And side. And side. Okay, so front, side, back, side. Dalawa. So, from here, force arch lang tayo, plie, right? And 4 counts up. 4 counts, force arch. 4 counts up. Try to maintain your parallel. Hindi siya So, yan. Parallel pa rin siya. Up. Tapos yung katawan niyo, hindi siya magaganito. Hindi rin siya mag-ano. Kung ano yung katawan ko, yun lang siya, yes. Hindi rin siya nag-arch. Okay? So, try to kain-puwet. Pag ginagawa siya. Kain-puwet. Ha. And ha. Okay? So, apat. Dalawa, sorry. Bang. From here, dalawa rin. Plie. Brava. And first. And open. Nice one. Brava. And first position as you go up. Open, 6, 7, 8. Nice one. From here, try to releve. Brava. First. All the way to fifth. Shoulders down. Stay 4 counts. Hands press down, control. And other side. Same thing, left lang. So, dalawa. Dalawa sa likod. Dalawa sa side. Okay? And the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, open, 1, 2, 3, 4. First, open, releve. Stay on the balls of your toes. From here, shoulders down and press. And down. Okay? kaysa sa first position. Kasi may mga tendencies din ako minsan as someone na hyperextended na yung knees ko minsan na ano siya, nagaganon ko siya minsan. Lalo na pag kailangan mindful ka na pag nag-exercises ka in parallel, isipin nyo na yung knees nyo agad. Minsan kasi ang nagagawa ko yung ganito siya. So pag nasanay siya ng ganito, delikado mo siya pag nasanay kasi may injury ka. Hindi aligned yung knees mo sa paa. Okay? Keep in mind. Okay. So pag parallel siya, dapat parallel yung knees mo face siya sa. So it's yan. Okay, and then try to yes, okay. Patingin. Yan.
Pinipigilan tayo.
Yes, piga siya. Madali lang siya tignan, pero kung like seryosohin mo talaga siya, hirap. Ganon. Okay, next is first position tayo, turn out. Ito mas madali to for some people. So, turn out tayo. Okay, to find your natural turn out, dikit nyo lang yung paa nyo and then yan. Okay, nice. Pag hyperextended, ayun. Same kami. So, pag hyperextended, hindi necessarily na kailangan magdikit ng heels. Kasi ang nangyayari dyan, ang nagdidikit ito. So, ganito siya. Medyo weird siya tignan, pero tama siya. Okay? So, yan. Dikit siya. For other people, kailangan dikit siya. Okay? Hindi ko siya kaya dikit. Okay. Yan. From here, same thing. Ngayon, ang tondo natin, always keep in mind na we are trying to present our heel kaysa sa mauna yung toes. So, heel first, heel, point. Yes, all the way to point. Balik, demi, up. Okay, present your heel and back. And present your heel. Yes. Okay, from here, dalawa yun sa harap. Side, dalawa din. Same thing. Back. Balik. And tondo. Yes, balik. And to the back. And first. And back. First. And side. First. And side. And first. From here, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is the time na nakapa-diamond yung goal natin dito. So, yung knees mo, aligned pa rin siya sa paa mo kasi naka-turn out siya. So, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, play tayo. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, releve, and down. Same thing, left side. Okay, so 2 to the front, 2 to the side, 2 to the back, 2 to the side, and then force arch, dalawang, then plie, and then releve, stay for counts, down for counts. Okay? Ready? One. last two exercises across the floor. Sige, start tayo. Dito tayo lahat. Okay, so ano lang siya, mini floor work combination. So, dugtong-dugtongin lang natin lahat ng mga X. Alam niyo na lahat ng pretzel, I assume. Hindi na natin kailangan daanan yung mga pretzel.
Kailangan po.
Kailangan na. Okay, pretzel muna tayo. Okay? So, facing front. Per pretzel tayo papunta sa right. Okay, so right leg from here. Fold your right leg. Upo sa hips. From here. Point, swing, swing, and swing. From here, roll up. Up, up, up. Okay, lagyan natin siya ng counts. This is 1, 2, swing, 3, and 4. Hawak floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so drop talaga yung head pagdating dito. Kasi may tendencies na pag nakaganito tayo, nag-roll up tayo ng nakatingin sa salamin. So try to really drop your head para spine by spine yung pag-roll up na. Okay? So again, from here, this is 1, 2, swing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, swing, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, yes, papunta lahat dito. Okay, tapos pag nakarating na kayo dito, travel lang kayo dito sa likod, balik ulit sa place na to. Okay? Okay. Oh, sabay.
Sabay?
Can I have
4 by 4.
4, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. So, Ali 1, front, left. Tapos kayo, sige, sushi. Apat na kayo. Yan. Okay.
Marcel, you can do it.
Sige, ganito, para tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Company kasi na tayo. So, tuloy-tuloy na. After na dito, balik kayo dito, first group. So, after niya, ng set na to, first group, second group, try natin yung pretzel na reverse. So, instead of nagsaspot tayo dito, try natin na magsaspot sa likod. So, right step sa likod. From here, pam, up. Adjust lang. Yes. After nung isang buong set, yung next nyo. Yes. Okay, so sabay-sabay muna tayo yung ano lang yung second set. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right. Spot likod. From here, pam, and pam, tayo. Pam. So medyo hindi na kailangan mag-roll up since pinatry natin kunin yung 5, 6, 7, 8. So kanina, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ito, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, shift, 7, 8. Okay? So,
Hindi na bumaba, sorry.
ano
Ano yung hindi na bumaba?
left.
Step muna.
Step muna, right? Left leg.
Yes,
Yan.
natural march.
Here.
Direction challenge.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yeah. So, 2 sets siya. So, after ng first group, yung the usual, travel, pasok second group, and then, okay? Sige. Okay, good. Okay? So, yung katawan nyo medyo nakaganito siya. Try nyo lang kasi malinis siya tignan. Instead of nakaganyan ka. Try nyo medyo, isipin nyo na parang bola kayo kasi malinis siya tignan. Okay? Tsaka mas mabilis siya. Pag nakakontract kayo, tapos parang maliit kayo, mas mabilis yung kayang gawin yung mga mabigat. Okay? So, try nyo lang head down, contract. Okay? So, again, review from here. Step right, fold left, spot back,
Swing and swing. Ay,
back. Ha, ha. Swing and swing. Up, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, swing and swing. 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. Okay? Ready? Step right, step left, step down, left, step right, and fold left, spot back.
That's right. And then
And fold left, spot back. Yes, 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 yes. Swing, swing. Yes, and up. And yeah. Last exercise. Let's just do kicks and then we're done for technique class. Okay? So same lines, 4 and 3. Let's just do front first and then back mo tayo. So ang starting position niya is fourth position. So right leg, right foot sa harap, and then try to put your weight ng medyo dito sa front leg, left leg. Try to bend your knees. Hindi super bend, enough lang para may buwelo siya. Okay, and then same thing. Yung kamay, palms facing the front, energy hanggang sa fingertips. Ito yung may emphasis na kailangan ko makita yung work niya sa upper body rather than sa paa. Kasi usually, ito yung mga nakalimutan ng mga people. Kahit gaano pa kataas ng legs ko, pag yung katawan mo na nakaganda ka deform, parang siya kanya. So, habang early pa tayo sa pag-learn ng technique, try na natin i-correct yung mga may possibility na maging mannerisms natin. Kasi mahirap na siyang gamutin pag nakasanayan ng katawan natin. Gusto ko, okay. So from here, okay lang na hindi super taas ha. Let's just aim for a good 90 degrees. So from here, we are going to brush yung back leg, bang! Transfer weight. Okay? Square hips pa rin, shoulders down pa rin, walang nagbago. From here, kick. Bang. Yes. Kick. Bang. Okay, good? Okay, so okay lang siya na 90 degrees lang, walang magpa-crunch, walang mag-gaganyan. Okay? Sige. And then try to really brush yung combo exercises natin kanina. Sige, next time, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na yung tawag ito. Japanese. Mini Japanese. Japanese. May mga ganito tayong exercises na parang off the floor. So, masyado na siyang haba yung mga proseso. Pero, ganun yung idea niya. So, isipin niyo nagtotondo pa rin kayo, nagpa-brush. It's just that inaangat niyo siya. The moment na umangat din siya, try to imagine na parang may wall sa harap niyo at gusto niyo siyang i-pierce through. Ganun yung feeling niya. So, instead of parang nilagay niyo lang siya, itatry niyo ngayon, i-lock yung knees niyo ng super lock, na kung hanggang saan kaya i-lock, and then na-feel niyo yung energy niyo sa buong paa. Hindi lang siya sa toes. Lahat siya nag-work. Okay? So, try natin siya hanggang sa dulo. And then, stay muna doon kasi left side tayo. Okay? Sige, ready? Starting position. After 4 eights. That tempo. Okay? Gusto ko yung ginaganon. So, pag nagta-travel tayo, ang tendencies kasi minsan, kaya may mga tayo sa tayo nakaka-travel. Kasi the moment na mag-kick tayo, ito lang pa rin siya. Kick. So, kaya siya nag-dupliate. Pag kick mo, medyo minsan dinadaya ko. Pag sisipi yung stage nyo at napakalaki nun, kailangan mo as in mag-travel ka talaga. So, try to medyo i-slide niya ng slide habang binibend. Slide, bend your knees, transfer weight para mag-travel kayo, okay? So, left side.
Hindi, left ko na sa likod. Left yung ko na sa likod.
Yes, left forward. Sipa. Wow. Good job. Okay, sige, water kayo. Tapos...